Hey y'all. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but it's like life happens so fast with a kid because every day you're just trying to get done everything so fast just so you can go to sleep at night before your baby wakes up again. So yeah, but tonight, ooh, what is that, Lent? But tonight, honey, I got time. So I'm probably gonna be doing a, well, not probably, I am gonna be doing a clean with me. So right now it is 11:46 and my boyfriend gets off of work. Well, he'll be home in a couple of hours, and I'm trying to get the house clean before he gets here because, like, you know, people know it's hard to clean up with other people in the house. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope it motivates you to get up and clean up or do whatever you got to do so you can lay down and go to sleep and relax and just take some time to yourself before it's time to wake up and do it all over again. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. If you do enjoy the video, like it, comment, subscribe. Let me know how you like it. Let me know what other types of videos y'all would want to see, because I know cleaning videos ain't the only thing that like people want to see. Like, I do other stuff. I cook. I do other stuff. So yeah, now let's get right into the video. video of me cleaning my living room and my kitchen. I cleaned the bathroom off camera just because I just had to do it in a hurry. I got set all the way back. And then my room, my ceiling fan, the light switch, it doesn't, like, it broke last week, so it's like no light in there at all right now, so I can't really show me cleaning that. And I just heard the car alarm, so my boyfriend is getting home right now, and I literally just finished cleaning up. Hey y'all, so as I'm editing the video, I realized that I didn't properly end the video, so I just wanted to say thank you for watching. Like it, let me know how you like it, comment, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I was just so tired after I finished cleaning up. After he got home, he got Kyron, and I just crashed. Like, I slept all the way until 1:30, y'all, and he let me, and I needed it. So yeah, but that's besides the point. So thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more.